What are indicators? Indicators are the substances which indicate the presence of acid or base in a solution. Okay. We cannot always taste all the substances. We know that acids are sour in taste and bases are bitter in taste. But is it possible to taste all the chemicals? No. As acids and bases are corrosive in nature, so we should have some scale which will show the presence of acid or base. So the indicators are the substances which show the presence of acids or bases. We have two types of indicators, that is natural indicators and synthetic indicators. Let us see the examples for natural indicators. Litmus. It is extracted from lichen plant belonging to the Thallophyta family. Okay, it is a purple color dye. Okay, it is available in the form of solutions and also it is available in the form of strips. We prepare two different types of solutions from two different varieties of lichen, red litmus and blue litmus. Okay, suppose if you check the acidity or basicity of a substance with red litmus, the litmus will show no color change in acidic medium. When red litmus is added to base, it will change to blue color. When blue litmus paper is dipped in acidic solution, it will change to red color. When it is added to base solution, it will show no color change. This is how we will test the identity of a substance, whether it is a base or an acid, by using litmus. Then we have turmeric. It is a natural indicator. In acidic medium, it shows no color change, whereas when it is added to basic media, it changes to red color. This is how turmeric can be used to indicate the presence of acid or base. Then we have colored petals of hydrangea plant, okay, then petunia and geranium. What about synthetic indicators? As the name itself indicates, they are prepared in the laboratories, okay. Mainly there are two indicators which are oftenly used, that is phenolphthalein. It is colorless. Alcoholic solution of phenolphthalein is used as an indicator, okay. It shows pink color in basic medium and it is colorless in acidic medium. Suppose you add phenolphthalein to acidic medium, it shows no color change and it turns to pink color in basic medium, okay. There is one more synthetic indicator which is of methyl orange. As name itself suggests, it is orange in color. It turns to red orange in acidic medium, whereas when it is added to basic solution, it turns to pale yellow. So how do you define indicators then? Indicators are the substances which indicate the presence of acids or base by change in color. There are special types of indicators called as olfactory indicators. Earlier we have studied that indicators show color change when they come in contact with acidic or basic media, but these indicators show the presence of acids or bases not by change in color but by change in their smell, okay. These olfactory indicators have their characteristic smell, but when they come in contact with either acids or bases, they change their smell. This is how we can identify a given substance is an acid or base by olfactory indicators. Examples: clove oil, vanilla extract, onions. Suppose when you keep the vanilla extract in acid medium, it retains its pleasant smell, but when it is kept in basic medium, it will lose its smell. A very interesting activity is given about the preparation of onion peel indicator as an olfactory indicator. Even you can do it in your home also, okay. You have to take small pieces of onion in a plastic bag and keep small pieces of clean cloth along with onion pieces and keep this plastic bag in fridge and keep it overnight, okay. Then what you need to do next is you have to take out those cloth pieces, okay. Those cloth pieces have gained the smell of onions, okay. As it has its own characteristic smell, those pieces of cloth has the smell of onion. Then how do we use this as olfactory indicator is, if you dip the piece of small cloth in acidic solution, the smell of the cloth retained its characteristic smell, okay. If you dip the cloth that is kept overnight along with onion peels. Suppose if you dip another cloth that is kept along with onion pieces in basic medium, you can easily feel that it loses smell. Okay, whatever the characteristic smell of onion was there before, of dipping it into the basic solution, it has lost its smell. This shows that the given solution is of a base. This is how we will feel the odor change by using olfactory indicators. These are special type of indicators in order to check whether a given solution is of acid or base by change in odor. Okay, this is how we will observe the changes. Okay.